Hey, it's Jared from Impact 90, and today we're going to go over how to add a video to your website. Okay, so to add a video to your website is very similar from the tutorial video 4, which was adding images, spacers, and text blocks. I'll just go down here and we're just going to find the teardrop. That's how we add basic blocks. Click over here on the video. And then it's as simple, and I've already copy and pasted a URL. Copy and paste a URL. You can put a thumbnail, which would basically put a picture over this, which you would click into. That would say, hey, click me, or this is a video, or check out this video, which you could overlay over this. But since the YouTube front card I have for this particular video already is pretty explanatory as to what it is, I'm just going to hit apply. And that is essentially it, how to add a link to text. And let's just try it out. I can click there. Oh, I gotta hit save. And then we'll just go back like this. This is how it would look. And there you go. It's running. The sound is off because otherwise there would be some feedback, but it's running. So I normally, when I make videos like this, I normally like to add some spacers on the sides, just because I like all the media to kind of be in line. See how this photo is like this? I like the media to be in line, so I would add some spacers on the sides. But that is essentially it. In the next video, we are going to talk about how you can add, we'll do a little refresher because we already talked about how to put a picture on an index section, so it takes up the entire screen. On the next video, we're going to talk about refresh, how to put an image like this, and also how to put a video so that way it takes up the entire website wide width. So we'll see you there. Thanks.